In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to a remote database using cPanel credentials and MySQL in your CI code. This can be a crucial step for any developer looking to manage their databases efficiently and securely. To start, we'll need to retrieve some essential information from cPanel, log into your cPanel account, and once you're there, locate the area for MySQL databases. This section is your one-stop shop for everything related to your database. Here, note down three critical pieces of information: the database host, the username, and the password. These will be used shortly to configure your connection. Next, it's time to use these credentials in your CI code with the MySQL connector. First, ensure that you have the MySQL data package installed in your CI environment. You can do this via NuGet Package Manager within Visual Studio. Simply search for MySQL data and install the package. This connector allows your C+ application to communicate seamlessly with MySQL databases. Moving on, we'll now specify the remote database information within your code. Open your C# project, and in the main program file, you'll need to write a connection string using the information from cPanel. This string should include the server, which is your database host, the user ID, which is the username from cPanel, and the password you gathered earlier. Here's what a typical connection string might look like: server db host, uid db username, pb db password. Be sure to replace these placeholders with your actual details. With these steps completed, it's time for the important part: testing your connection. To do this, execute a simple command within your C/application to open and close the connection. This ensures that everything is wired up correctly. Look out for any exceptions or errors. If an error arises, recheck your connection string for typos in the host, username, or password, and verify that the MySQL server is configured to accept connections from your current IP address. If the connection opens successfully, congratulations, you've set up your CU application to connect to a remote database using your cPanel credentials. This gives you full access to perform queries, manage data, and leverage the power of a remote database in your applications. As a final tip, always ensure your sensitive credentials, such as usernames and passwords, are securely managed. Consider using environment variables or secure app settings for storing such information instead of hard-coding them into your source files. This not only keeps your application secure, but also makes it easier to manage changes without having to modify your code. That's all for today's session on connecting to a remote database with cPanel and C++. Following these steps should guide you smoothly through the process. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials on our channel for further learning.